Today we're going to be installing the Broaddict Interior Cargo Basket. In the box you're going to have these 4 brackets. In my case I'm going to be using these brackets because I have the interior molly panels. These brackets I assume are for the 2-door version. I do not 100% know. These are the 2 baskets that I'm going to be joining together, and we also have the hardware. The next step is I'm going to be joining these together. Alright, the first step is we're going to be putting these 2 baskets together with these 4 holes. We're going to take the bigger Allen head bolts and 13mm nuts. I'm just going to loosely put them all in there for now. Now that that's all set, we're going to work on installing it into the Bronco. So remove these 2 lower bolts right here. And now we're going to add this bracket. You're going to want the bracket to be facing just like this. So you want this L part facing up. Oh, and this is the bolt with the Allen head and a washer. Then you're going to be tightening down with the nut right here. Take a little finessing to get that in there. The key is not to tighten these yet. You're going to want to keep all this hardware loose until it's ready to put the basket on top of the bracket. And you're going to repeat the same for the other side. And now it's time to install the shelf into the Bronco. And all your hardware should be nice and loose right now still. And what you're going to do is you have these 3 slots right here on both sides. And then you're just going to line up. There we go. Put the bolt, the washer through the top like that. And then the same on this side. And then from underneath, just put the nuts on there. At this point, there's some room for adjustment. You're gonna wanna make sure you still have some space behind here. And you just tighten all these down. Start by tightening these interior ones. And then last, you tighten these. Once those are tight, now you tighten up these. And these are the other ones you want to tighten down. That's it. It's ready to hold your gear.